Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tutorials to enhance your Windows 10 experience. In today's video, we will guide you on how to turn on color blindness filters in Windows 10. These filters can make colors on your screen more distinct, helping individuals with color vision deficiencies. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings. Step 2. In the Settings menu, navigate to Ease of Access and click on it. Step 3. Inside the Ease of Access menu, click on Color Filters. Step 4. Turn on the option labeled Use Color Filters. This will enable the color blindness filters in Windows 10. Step 5. Now, under the Select a Color Blindness Filter to make the colors on the wheel more distinct section, you can choose from the 3 available options: deuteranopia, protanopia, or tritanopia. Select the option that suits your color vision deficiency best. By following these simple steps, you have successfully learned how to turn on color blindness filters in Windows 10. These filters can significantly improve your visual experience and make it easier to distinguish colors on your screen. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.